Hello and welcome to this video. This video is going to be a homemade, like DIY, high ollie fingerboard bar. So it'll be like a bar that you try to ollie over and it'll get knocked to the side if you don't make that level. But there'll be measurements so that you can see how high your ollie is. So, as usual, I'll be using home, common home materials. So let's get started. Well, for a quick overview, I'm going to use this pencil as the main vertical bar. Then I'm going to use this thick straw that's used for tapioca tea. It's like the big tapioca pearl boba tea, it's also called, I think. Anyway, this is going to be the thing you ollie over. And then I have a small screw here, and then this piece of, particle board or something for the base. So I would like to, I'm going to mark on here how big this pencil is, because I need a hole through this straw. So I'll hold the pencil the best I can. It's just going to be approximate. So that gives me a rough size that I'll finish just eyeballing it. So to make the hole, you could do a lot of things, but what I'm going to do is use this wood burner and just kind of melt the plastic. You got to be careful with the smoke of this. It's not terribly strong, but it's good to do it in a well-ventilated area. Wow, it kind of went too fast there. But, let's see. So it's a little bit, I made the hole a little bit too big on that side, but it looks like it is okay on the other side. There we go. So the reason why I wanted to do it this way, let me unplug the wood burner real quick since I don't need that anymore. The reason why I want to do it this way is because if you go to ollie over it and you hit it, it's just going to spin out of the way, but there's still enough friction so that you can raise and lower it to whatever height you want. Now it's nice to make it as square from here to here as possible. Mine's not too bad. It is a little taller on this side, but that's okay. So next I'm gonna grab this little screw and I'm gonna just kind of make a little bit of a hole in the lead part. If that doesn't work too well, I have this knife way back ages ago, whenever, I think I was in like 5th grade maybe. I saved up $50 to buy this from Christmas money and birthday money and stuff. But it has this little awl tool, or I don't know what you'd call that thing. But since it's just this graphite on the end, I thought I might not have to drill it, which would be nice. My screw here is pretty short too, so I don't have to go too far in. But I'm going to try to get a hole there and I'll be right back. Okay, so what happened is what I was concerned with, what would happen, which is when the grain is, the wood here is pretty fragile, and so it split a little bit. I think it'll be okay, but drilling it would have been better. So another cool thing about this is it has a screwdriver on it. So this piece of wood that I had already had some holes in it conveniently, And so I kind of scraped away the wood right here so that it would, I countersunk it so that this screw will fit flush. And let's use this screwdriver to, oops, sorry, that was loud. Screw that screw up in the pencil. Okay. So it works. I mean, I should wrap some tape around there and glue it, and I think I'll do that eventually, but for now. So, don't have, oh, I do have a ruler here. So I'll mark the heights and then give it a try. Well, here it is. It starts at 2 centimeters. I figure centimeters would be easier than using parts of an inch, but let's give it a try. Yay! I mean, it's not a clean ollie, but I cleared it. So then if you ollied that high, you can just wiggle it up. That part's a little tight because I ended up putting tape around the bottom where it split. See, now it moves much more loosely. So let's try it at 3 centimeters, which I probably won't be able to do. See there, that is what I wanted it to do, is if you hit it, it gets knocked to the side. There you go. I like it. Well, here it is, my DIY high ollie bar. And it moves like I hoped it would. It's pretty easy to make from common materials around the home. So that's cool. I hope you enjoyed, and please consider checking out some of my other videos. Bye!